In a dramatic escalation of post-Operation Sindoor tensions, India's missile defense system successfully intercepted a suspected Pakistani missile in the early hours of Thursday. The projectile, launched at approximately 1:05 a.m., was reportedly headed toward Jetwal village in Punjab, just 30 kilometers from the international border. Acting swiftly, Indian defense systems shot down the missile mid-air, shattering it into three pieces. Debris rained down across the village, with fragments landing on rooftops and a 6-foot segment discovered in nearby fields. Thanks to the high-altitude interception, only a shallow crater formed, sparing the village from a potential disaster. The Punjab police confirmed the incident in an official statement, saying that the missile was intercepted in the air itself.